Okay. I had forgotten to record the earlier part. So in the first session, what we said that if you want to find the HCF of three numbers, first we'll find the HCF of first two numbers. Whatever is the HCF, along with the third number, again find the HCF. Whatever is the final HCF will be the HCF of the given three integers. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, well, next application. Now this is a very important application. Again, this question comes into the exam again. An important application, used to prove various results of the form A is equal to BQ plus R. First write, I will explain it to you. Let us write. Just write down. So this is our application number 3 of HCF. Just a moment, children. So number 3, proving certain results of the form A is equal to BQ plus R. Now it's a very important question. Before I get to the actual question, the other day we had seen something. We had taken examples. Again, I'm doing the same examples very, very quickly. 20 divided by 4. 21 dividing by 4. 22 by 4. 23 by 4 and 24 by 4. Again, 25 by 4, 26 by 4 and so on. Tell me fast. 4. Quickly bolo. 4 5s are
20.
remainder is 0. Next 4.
Remainder is
5.
5.
5 20. 1.
1.
5
5
20. 2.
2.
5
5
20.
3.
3.
3.
Next
4 6. 4 6.
24.
remainder
0.
0.
6
6 sir.
6 star.
4. 1.
sorry
Sir,
1.
Remainder is 1.
6.
Means whenever I am going to divide by 4, how many possible remainders are there?
4.
4.
4. Which are those?
4.
0
1
1
2
2 3
0 1
1
2
2
3.
3.
Very important. See, when I divide by 4, I can get 4 cases. Now see which 4 cases. That is also important to understand. Huh? It's very important type. Tell me this. How can I write this 20 as? 20 is equal to 4 into 5 plus 0. Am I right?
Yes.
20 is A,
Yes.
4 is B, 5 is Q. Yes or no? This is Q, this is R, this is B, and this is A. Always. Yeah, am I right?
Yes.
A is equal to what?
BQ plus R.
Plus 0. 0 tha na? R was 0. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
For 21, 4 into 5 plus 1. So A is equal to B is 4.
BQ plus 1.
B is 4.
BQ.
Let me make more clear. Your B is 4. 4Q plus 0 or 4Q plus 1 or 4Q plus 2 or 4Q plus 3. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, sir.
When any integer A, listen to me very carefully. When any integer A is divided by 4, it will either be 4q plus 0 or 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 2 or 4q plus 3. No other option. Am I clear? Let me check. Let me check. ह्या चार मधनच काहीतरी येणार आहे. Okay? Let me check for a bigger integer. Let me check for a very bigger integer. Somebody has not joined. I don't know who has not joined. Let me check for a bigger integer. Let us check 17,298 divided by 4. 4 4s are 16. Remainder is 1. Carry down 2. 4 3s are 12. Remainder is 0. Comes down 9. 4 2s are 8. Remainder is 1. Comes down 8. 4 4s are 16. Remainder is 2. So 17,298 is again 4q. 4 into q plus 2. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
If it would have been 17,297, then here would be 7. 7 minus 6, 1. So 17,297 would be 4q plus 1. Clear? 17,299 would be 4q plus 3. The next number is 17,300 would be 4q or 4q plus 0. Again, 17,301 would be what now? Now what would be 17,301? 4 into
4q plus 1.
yes, 4 3 2 5. Just it was 4 into 5. The moment you move ahead, it becomes 4 into 6. Next number. So this was 4 into 4324. Now it will become 4 into 4325 because 17,300 exactly becomes 4325. Let me check. 4 4s are 16. Remainder is 1, comes down 3. 4 3s are 12. Remainder is 1, comes down 0. 4 2s are 8. Remainder is 2, comes down 0. 4 5 are 4 3 2 5. 4 3 2 4 के आगे क्या आएगा? 4 3 2 5 for 17,300. 4 3 2 5 plus 20 minus 20, remainder was 0. So 4q. So now it will become what? For 17,301, 4q plus 1. Here it would be plus 1. For 302, 4q plus 2. Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Means when I'm dividing by 4 possible cases. If I divide by 5 possible cases. If I divide by 6 possible cases. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now take down a question. Have you written the type? What have you written? Proving certain results of the form A is equal to BQ plus. इसके नीचे लिखो here. Write down. In such questions, depending upon the result we proved, we understand the value of B and hence the number of cases to be proved. Example, for the result of type 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3, value of B is, what is B in this? 4. ना 4q plus 1, 4q plus 2, bq plus 1, bq plus 2, bq plus, yes or no? Whatever is multiplied with b is always whatever is multiplied to q is b, yes or no? For the result of type A is equal to bq plus r. So bq plus 4q plus 1 means b is 4, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Value of b is 4, therefore so values of r will be what? When you divide by 4, what could be the values of remainder?
0, 1, 2, 3.
0, 1, 2 and 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now you tell me. Here I am writing it. Number 2 example. For the result of type 3m plus 1 or 3m. What is the value of b?
3.
3.
Value of b is what?
3.
3. And if b is 3, what will be r?
0, 1,
0,
2.
1, 2.
0, 1, 2.
1, 2, 3 remainders. For b equal to 3, 3. Which 3? 0, 1, 2. R is always 1 less than b. Yes or no? B is 3, so R will be till 2. Am I right?
Yes. Yes.
Huh? Now, how to prove these results? That we will see. Okay. Take down an example. Just take this example. We will understand it in more detail tomorrow, but the standard way. Prove that every odd positive integer is of the form 2q plus 1. Is of the form 2q plus 1. Written the question.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Which form do
Yes,
we want?
sir.
Which form do we want?
2q plus 1.
2q
2q plus 1.
Now 2q plus 1 means who is b? What is the value of b?
2.
2. 2q plus 1 means b is 2. If I had said 4q plus 1, then b would be.
4.
If I would say 5m plus 3, then b would be
5.
5. So here I can see b is 2. Correct? Eh? If b is 2, what would be r?
0 and 1.
0, 1.
0 and 1.
0 and 1. Now they are asking us prove that every odd positive integer is of the form 2q plus 1. Now solution. Now this is very important. You will compulsory, I am saying compulsory, write the solution like this only, in this format only. This is the most appropriate format. Now see how I'm writing. First write, as we write, I will explain, we'll understand it. Let A be any integer, any positive integer. Okay, we don't know whether it is odd or even. We want to check what will be the form of odd integer, what will be the form of even integer. So let be A be any positive integer divided by 2, because we want the form 2q plus 1, so we are dividing by 2. Let A be any positive integer divided by 2 to get the possible. Okay, divided by 2, बस इतना ही लिखो. A be any positive integer divided by 2, hence b is equal to 2, so r could be 0 and 1. Hence A could be written as A is equal to 2q, or a is equal to 2q plus 1. Am I right? If a is divided by 2, a would either be 2q or a would either be 2q plus 1. Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Wait, just write this example. Right now, write this example. We are going to do a parallel example as well. Don't write this example, just pay attention first. Prove that every odd positive integer is of the form 4m plus 1 or 4m plus 3. Now in the second example, to the right side, what are they asking about? We want to prove about whom? About the odd positive integer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Which are the odd positive integers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. Correct? Yes or no?
sir.
Yes.
Now, if we want to prove the odd positive integer in the form 4m plus 1, when will you get the form 4m plus 1? When you divide by
4.
4.
4.
So let a be any integer. It can be either odd or it can be even. Any integer divided by 4. So if it is divided by 4, then what will be the possible values of remainder? R would be what?
0, 1,
0, 1, 2, 3.
And 3. So how can you write a as? A will be what?
4.
4q.
4m.
4q. 4q, not 4m. 4q.
4 plus 1.
Or a would be what? 4q plus 1.
4q plus
1.
Or what?
4q plus 2.
4q plus 2.
4q plus 2. Or
4q plus 3.
4q. A is equal to 4q plus 3.
will I get 4q plus 4? No.
No.
4q plus 3 के बाद क्या आएगा? Again 4q. Yes or no?
Yes.
It will go on continuing. 4q, 4q plus 1, 4q plus 2, 4q plus 3. Again 4q, 4q plus 1, 4q plus 2, 4q plus 3. Again 4q, 4q plus 1, 4q plus 3. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now pay attention very carefully what I'm going to say the next step. So if a is any positive integer, it could be written as 4q, 4q plus 1, 4q plus 2 or 4q plus 3. Out of which, now see what? Which number is an even number? Who will tell me? Which number is an even number? Don't look here. Generally, which number is
by 2.
okay?
Divided by
Or which is a multiple of 2? Either it can be divided by 2 or a multiple of 2 is a even number. Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Now see here what I'm saying. Now see here how I'm going to write this. Four q would be written as 2 into 2q. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes.
Which is equal to 2 into m. Am I right? Where this m is equal to some integer 2q. 2q का value हमने समझो m consider किया है. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
2 into q, 2 quotient is some integer. Integer into 2 is another integer. So 2 into q is m, where m is some integer, and 2m is always going to be even. It is a multiple of 2. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
A is equal to 4q plus 1. 4q is of which form? 2m. Just now we have
2m.
seen. So 4q plus 1 would be what?
2m plus 1.
And what is 2m? 2m is a even number. Yes or no?
Yes.
Any even plus 1. What will be even plus 1?
Odd.
Odd. Do you know that?
Odd.
Take any one number. 64. 64 plus 1, 65. 65 is odd. 100. 100 plus 1, 101. 101 is odd. So even plus 1 is always odd. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
A is equal to 4q plus 2. What is 4q?
2m.
2m plus 2. Can I take out 2 common?
Yes.
Here is also 2. Here is also 2 comes out common. 2 into bracket something and 2 into anything is always a even number. Do you agree? 2 into anything is even. A multiple of 2 is even.
Yes.
Yes.
So, and last number. A is equal to 4q plus 3. 4q is 2m. 2m plus 3. That is 2m plus 2 plus 1. For plus 3, I have written 2 plus 1. Out of these two, if I take out 2 common, m plus 1 plus 1. 2 into anything is even. Don't worry, I'm going to explain this again to all of you. 2 into anything is even. Even plus 1 again becomes even. Are you understanding? 2 into anything is even. This entire thing becomes even. Even plus 1 is always a even. So what have I got? I have got 4q as even. 4q
Sir, odd.
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 Sorry.
One plus one.
Odd. Even plus 1 is always odd. Even plus 1 is always odd. So 4q becomes even. 4q plus 2 becomes even. Means 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3. That is 4m plus 1 or 4m plus 3 becomes odd. Wait. Don't get confused. Simple thing I'll tell you. If you divide by 4, how many cases you will get?
4.
Which are those 4 cases?
4.
4q plus 1, 4q plus 2,
4.
4q plus 3. Correct?
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
if I had to keep it simple, I just explained it to you in a detailed way. If I just keep it simple, 4q, 4q plus 1, 4q plus 2, and 4q plus 3. Or I could have directly written it at 4m because they are asking me of the form 4m. 4m plus 1, 4m plus 2, and 4m plus 3. Multiple of 4 we know is a even number. Even plus 2 is also an even number. Yes or no? Any even number plus 2 is a even number. Do you know that?
Yes.
Yes.
So these two become even. So even plus 1 becomes odd. Even plus 3 also becomes odd. So 4m plus 1 and 4m plus 3 become the odd integers. Are you understanding?
Yes.
Sir.
Let me write it. Let me write a table of 4. Tell me the table of 4. All of you tell me the table of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. Correct? Hold on a minute. Means this entire thing is a table of 4, means it is multiple of 4 and all these numbers are even. Can you see that all these numbers are even? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, all are even numbers. Yes or no?
Yes.
If I add 1, 4q plus 1 anytime, 4 plus 1 is 5, 8 plus 1 is 9, 12 plus 1 is 13, 17, 21, 25, 29, 33, 39 and 41. All this is of the form 4q plus 1, which is definitely an odd number, because any even number, when you add 1, you will get an odd number. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So in our case, 4q was an even number. 4q plus 1 becomes an odd number. Obviously, 4q plus 2 will again be even, because if in the odd number, if you add 1, now add 1 in all these things. 5 plus 1, 6, 9 plus 1, 10, 14, 18, 22, 26 and so on. All these numbers become even, which were of the form 4q plus 1 plus 1. So plus 2. Yes or no? In 4, you add 1 to get 5. You add one more 1 to get 6. So plus 1 plus 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Even, odd, even. So obviously the next number is again going to be odd. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now you similarly tell me what could be the case of 6q. Last question. If you are dividing by 6, how many cases you will get?
6.
Which are the 6 cases?
Q.
Which are the 6 cases?
0, 1, 2,
6.
3, 4, and 5.
And how will you write those cases as? A is equal to what?
6q.
6q plus 0.
6q
plus
plus
1,
0.
6q plus
6,
2, 6q plus
6q
3,
plus 3.
6q plus 4,
4,
4. 6q
and 6
plus 5.
plus
5.
and 6q plus 5. Out of which, you tell me now, which are going to be the even numbers?
6q.
6q
6q plus 2. 6q plus 4.
plus 4.
And so which will be the odd numbers?
6q plus 1.
6q plus
6q
1,
plus
6 plus
3.
7,
6q plus 5.
6q plus 5.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
How will we start this answer? Let a be any positive integer divided by 6. Now, even if you want, you can cross check. Let us take any odd positive integer, 1731 divided by 6. 6 2s are 12, remainder is 5, comes down 3. 6 8s are 48, remainder is 5, comes down 1. 6 8s are 48, remainder is 3. 6q plus 3, that is this form. Yes or no?
Yes.
So when you are dividing, whenever an odd number is divided by 6, it will either be 6q plus 1 or plus 3 or plus 5. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now if I divide 1733, the next odd number, by 6, what will be the form? What will be the remainder?
6q plus 4.
5.
5.
31 के बाद 33. Odd numbers का form क्या आएगा? 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. And the between number, that is 1732. What will 1732 be? 6q
6q
plus
plus
6q
4.
4.
plus 4.
6q plus 4.
1731 was 6q plus
6.
3.
3.
1733 is going to be 6q plus 5. Yes or no?
Yes. sir.
What will be 1734? 6q.
6q plus
6q. Because plus 6 नहीं आएगा, 5 के बाद 0 आता है. Yes or no?
Yes. sir.
Because it is only till 5. What will be 1735? Tell me now.
6q plus 1.
6q plus 1. 1736. 6q
6q plus 2.
1737. 6q plus
6q plus 3.
means whatever are your odd numbers, 31, 33, 35, 37 and your 1739 will again be 6q plus 5. All the odd numbers will either be 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. Whereas the even numbers will be 6q, 6q plus 2 or 6q plus 4. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes.
If
sir.
I will divide by 4, then odd numbers will be 4q and 4q plus 2. even numbers will be 4q and 4q plus 2. Odd numbers will be 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But as of now, we'll stop over here. It is becoming a hangover. Tomorrow we'll continue these kind of sums. Okay.
Yes,
Goodbye.
sir.
All of you.